Hello everyone! Welcome to our vlog!
Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Fans. Pose with the fans.
In today's world, the internet is more than a tool. It's a gateway to education, employment, and innovation. But not everyone has the opportunity to use it. Let's explore how digital literacy and internet accessibility can transform lives and empower communities.
The digital divide is real. In many remote areas, the internet access is limited or non-existent, leaving millions without the ability to learn online, find jobs, or connect with loved ones. This inequality holds back progress for entire communities.
Digital literacy is the key to unlocking the power of technology. It's about more than just browsing the web. It's about critical thinking, online safety, and the ability to leverage digital tools to solve real-world problems. Imagine what could happen if everyone had the skills.
Internet accessibility bridge gaps in education, healthcare, and business. A farmer in a rural village can learn sustainable practices online. A student can access free resources to study. A small business owner can connect to global markets. The internet is a lifeline to opportunity. Take the story of Lito, a young teacher from a remote area with internet access and digital training. He introduced online tool in his classroom, improving his studies learning outcomes. Lito's story shows how access and knowledge can create a ripple effect in communities.
Good morning, class!
Good morning, ma'am.
Who uses internet daily?
Me, ma'am. I use the internet daily.
Okay, Marty. How about you, Jonalyn?
I use the internet sometimes, ma'am, because the internet connection is not stable in our area.
Oh, see, class? Jonalyn sometimes uses the internet because of their location. Yes, Kalin?
I use the internet daily, ma'am, but the connection is poor sometimes.
Yes, sometimes we do have problems with poor internet connection. So, okay, let's proceed with our lesson about digital literacy. You know what digital literacy means, class? It is about using technology wisely. Remember that it's crucial for online safety, research, and communication. Yes, Matthew?
What does digital literacy includes, ma'am?
Class, digital literacy includes online safety, privacy, critical thinking, and responsible behavior. Does every one of you have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media accounts?
Yes, ma'am, I have a Facebook and TikTok account.
I don't have the very social media accounts, ma'am.
Wow, nice bro! So Mark Jim, how can you be responsible in using those social media accounts?
Of course, ma'am. I should be mindful of what I post online.
Good. Anything else? Jonathan?
I don't share too much personal information, ma'am.
Nice class! Remember that we need to always be mindful, responsible, and respectful when using the internet. Also, while being connected in the online world.
Ma'am Angelas, I have a question. Why is internet accessibility important, ma'am?
Okay. Everyone has equal access to information and opportunities online, regardless of location or abilities.
Ma'am,
Yes?
also classmates really need it in our class, like we do have assignments in project, right?
That's true, Mark. We need that when doing online projects, now that the internet has become part of our daily lives.
I'm amazed by your ideas, class, but remember the safety tips while using the internet. We need to have strong password, be cautious of online friendships, limit giving personal information, always verify sources, and report cyberbullying.
Classmates, always keep in mind that digital literacy empowers us to explore, learn, and connect, safety. Now, it's time to do our part, be responsible while having that internet and digital access. Remember that our actions online reflect who we are as a person.
Thanks very much for listening to our presentation. I hope that you